Hey guys, welcome to Tracie's Place and welcome to my living room tour. We're going to start out over here by the stairway. This is the before and this is the after. The colors are cool and I love them. Over here we have this beautiful mirrored knob. I use these on my dressers in my room and also my sink vanity in my bathroom. I had a few left over, so I put one here. Coming over kind of near the doorway, this is my favorite piece in the room. I absolutely love this, you guys. It is the focal point in the room for me, whether I'm coming down the stairs and I look around the corner or if I'm just in the room. This is the piece that I stare at. I purchased these circular decor pieces on Amazon and they were just $6.99. I could not believe it. And I purchased this pretty picture at Old Time Pottery. And over here by the front door entry, this is what it looked like before. And here's what it looks like now. Brighter and fresher. I love these colors. This is Pewter Revere. And it is just a cool color. It's a gray, it's a beige, it's grayish. And I love it. You guys, this is the mirror coming into the entryway. And I had a couple of those little circular decor pieces, so I put them over here in this area too. This is the table that was over in front of the kitchen entry and I just painted it gray, and then I also put this gray runner on top, and I made this my sweet treats jar. I made this a couple of years ago, used it as a DIY for my channel and couldn't find a place for it. It's been downstairs and I brought it up here for such a time as this. I love it. These are shelves from my parents' house. My mother had these sitting by her front door, and now I have these sitting by my front door. They're from Florida on a vacation in 1997. The pillars are purchased about 15 years ago, I believe, from Old Time Pottery, and the circular balls that are in natural color, gray and white, are from Burlington's. This beautiful entry rug is the last time you're going to see it. I have to take it back. Oh my goodness, it hurts my heart. It's the perfect color, but it's too plush and the front door won't open over it. Go ahead now and thumbs up the video for me. Thanks. This beautiful picture frame, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. It holds about 5 pictures and I may paint it. And there's some more pictures over here, and I really need to get new frames as well. Look at that mustard color, y'all. I'm so thankful it's gone. But on to the new. This is the new corner where the chair is. I almost got rid of this chair and I still might. I'm not sure. I would love to have 2 chairs with multiple colors in it to take the place of this one to create an entryway into the living room. The old decor for the window is gone and it's been replaced with new silver curtains, and some of the frames are gone and have been replaced along with the flower arrangements that are around the window. So out with the old and in with the new. The curtains I purchased from Burlington's and they came in a 4-piece set, so you will see them somewhere else in the house. But these sconce decor pieces are just gorgeous. You saw them before. They were gold. Now I painted them silver. I was a spray painting queen. The detail in this is just magnificent and the paint picked it up well. So I really did get rid of the flowers, you guys. The old ones. Who says you can't buy some that are new? These are more up to date. But anyway, they're sitting in between my husband's paternal grandparents along with some other decor and his maternal grandparents. They're in new frames. I think these suit him well. I kept a few gold frames just to mix metals. I like to do that. And then here is a pretty one that I got for Jalen for a college graduation collage, along with a beautiful gray vase. I got this from Big Lots. And then the miscellaneous pieces I got from Burlington's. These silver hands, they were spray painted silver, they were gold, and you see them holding up our wedding picture, and then a picture of my father is right next to it. These beautiful seashells we got on our honeymoon trip to the Bahamas. They're sitting amongst some beautiful cards our children gave us. I have so many knickknacks that I have to find a new home for. But this lamp, you guys, this is from my mother's house. She had this for about 50, 60 years, I think. About 60 years. It's older than me. I just don't know where to put it in the new living room, but I'm going to find a space for it. Now here's the new corner. My sister-in-law will be so proud. I have a few live plants along with some faux. But this Bible was given to us as a wedding present from some friends of my parents and neighbors. So I'm so happy to have that there. I just need to place it upright. And this is a little photo frame with Jalen. When she was a flower girl, she was about 3 years old at some of our friends' wedding. This was a poem that someone gave to me when my father passed away. If you can, pause the video and read it. It's very beautiful. It was very comforting, and I read it from time to time. I still love it. You guys, don't sleep on those discount stores. I got this beautiful lantern from Ross's. It was about $9.99. The glass candlestick I got from Goodwill. And this very pretty picture frame I got from Burlington's. It's holding the picture that commemorates the good time me and my husband had on the Cincinnati dinner train. If you ever get a chance to go on one, go. I love to keep out cards from my kids and my husband. And some of my favorite ones are right here. And the next day I ended up putting out a candle on that candlestick. Yep, all this old decor is gone. Make way for the new. Oh my goodness, I am not pleased, I don't think, with this behind the couch scene. So I might do something else with that wall a little later on. But the coffee table, I love. This tall candlestick I got from Goodwill for about $4. The shorter candlestick I got from Burlington's for about $9.99. The candlesticks came from Big Lots and they smell so good. And the knickknacks on the silver tray, I got them from Burlington's. And also the silver tray that they are laying on, I got that from Burlington's too. I think it was like $9.99 to $14.99. The little white piece that looks like it's from the sea, got that for $6.99, I believe it was, at Home Goods. And the double picture frame that's holding Jordan and Jalen, I got that from Burlington's. That's their graduation from high school, which one graduated 13 years ago and one 4 years ago. This velvety soft throw was purchased for one of Jalen's dorm rooms a few years ago, and I don't think she ever used it, but it goes perfect on this couch. And I love this. This is us, our story, our life, our home. I found that at Big Lots, and it was perfect. These cute little pillows I purchased, 2 for $7.99 from Rose's, go perfect with these shiny curtains from Burlington's. And I love this beautiful mirror arrangement. I love the mirrors, but the flowers, I think they do date the wall. When we were decorating my mother's house and I was putting too many flowers in, my sister said, no more flowers. So, sis, I think I'm going to take your advice. I think I'll get a nice picture for this wall. For this love seat, I purchased these gray throw pillows from Old Time Pottery. They were $14.99 a piece. And we are at the entry of the kitchen. We made just about a full circle in the room. But you guys, do you remember this buffet? I told you all that it was from my parents' house. And look at it now. I've painted it. I hope my mother and father would like it. But yeah, I painted it gray tabby and it came out beautiful. I purchased this lamp bottom from discount store. And the top, the shade, I purchased from Goodwill. This photo frame, you guys, I spray painted it. I sure did. It was gold. I spray painted it silver. And also, this is what it looked like before. This is the space before. And this is Mickey's urn, the oldest of our 4 children. This is her urn. It is so pretty. I'm going to put it in a different space that is better suited for this, somewhere that can showcase it better. And yeah. And this is what the top of the buffet is looking like now. This is a picture of me and my husband with our parents on our wedding day. My father and mother have passed away, and so has my father-in-law. But my mother-in-law is still with us. We're so thankful for that. This is a picture of my brother-in-law and my sister-in-law. This is Chris's brother and our sister-in-law. We love them to life. And this book, I'm going to fill it with pictures. And I love this Friday night candle. I think I got that from Burlington's. It smells so good. And this candle holder, love it. From Burlington's, I got two. I think they were $12.99 a piece. Got that little flower, that little plant for $4.99. That picture is it's old, about 12 years old. And that picture frame on the left, I got it from Burlington's for $4.99. This, you guys, is where we put our mail every day. Keep it out of the way and clutter free. Well, that's it, you guys. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new here, and share the video. Share to someone who you know may be wanting to make over their space. All right. Love you guys, and check out the rest of the videos on the channel. Be blessed. Bye.